Okay, so today we are going to learn mains 2019 and NEET 2017 problem of same type in one shot. But the thing is, in mains 2019, he is telling that two cars are moving away. Two cars are moving away here. Okay, so when this is moving away and this is moving away, here in this case, both are moving towards. That's it. Both are moving towards. Okay, so single formula is sufficient to do these type of problems here. Only one formula. If you remember this formula, you can solve any problems of Doppler effect with a single short formula. It is very amazing technique here. One formula is enough to solve any problem. So just see here, he is telling that car A and car B are moving away in the opposite direction here. Both are moving away with the same speed. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? This is also 20 meters per second. This is also 20 meters per second. Let us imagine both are moving away with the same speed. If the observer is in car A detects a frequency of 2000 Hz. Okay, who is car A here and who is car B? Let us consider here. This is car B. Okay, so car B and car A. Okay, so here if both are moving away and source is the car B here, a source is car B which is producing the sound here, then this formula, which is a basic formula for all the problems, should be modified a little bit. As both the cars are moving away, you just imagine you are moving away from one car which is producing horn sound. You feel that the sound will reduce to maximum. Sound will reduce to maximum. To reduce the sound, you have to decrease the fraction enormously. That is, numerator should be subtracted, denominator should be added here. Then only frequency will reduce to maximum. So use this formula and do the problem. Just very simple. Okay, so what is given here? You just see n dash. It is given that this fellow is going to observe the sound produced by car B, and the frequency is given as 2000 here. That means that is going to be apparent frequency. Okay, and he is asking us to find out what is the real frequency here. Okay, so C is the velocity of sound, V naught is observer velocity, C Vs is going to be the velocity of the source here. Then how are you going to find out the frequency actual produced by car B? Let us see here. So it's a very simple formula you are going to apply. This is the formula you are going to apply here, and you are going to find out what is n here. So you just write n is equal to C plus Vs by C minus V naught into n dash. That's it. N is equal to C. Okay, so what are you going to do now here? So what is the speed of the sound produced here? 340. Just write 340 into 20 by 340 minus 20 into apparent frequency. So finally you are getting the answer as 2250 here. Okay, to each other in the case of mains, and they are moving towards each other. As they are moving towards each other, frequency has to increase enormously. You just imagine you are moving towards a car which is producing the sound, then frequency will increase to enormously. Then how to change this fraction? Increase the fraction to maximum extent so that you will get maximum frequency here. To increase that, you need to add the numerator and subtract the denominator. That's it. You have to take plus in the numerator and minus in the denominator, just opposite to the previous case here. Now let us solve now. You just see this problem number 5 here, which was asked in NEET 2017. Two cars moving in the opposite direction approach each other with the speeds of 22 meters per second and 16.5 meters per second. Okay, then let us see what is going to happen. What is the data given here? Now see here, what is the data given according to this problem? If you observe this problem, it is given that car 1 and car 2. Car 1 is 22 meters per second and car 2 is 16.5 meters per second here. That's the data given. And it is given that real frequency, actual frequency is given as 400 Hz here. That's it. You just apply the formula, supply the data, reply the answer. C is how much here? C is 340. plus V naught. V naught is an observer, 16.5 divided by how much? It is going to be 340 minus Vs, and Vs is the source, which can be written as 22 here, which is equal to the actual frequency given here. Okay, so this is an actual frequency here, and actual frequency is given as how much? It is given as 4000. Just you write n dash is equal to 340 plus 16.5 divided by 340 minus 22 into n is nothing but 4000. Just reply the answer now by just solving this problem here and get the final answer, which is equal to how much? Let us see here. The final answer getting 448 heads here. Okay, so this is going to be the final answer. So two problems at one shot you have learned. So these type of problems are very important, which are regularly asked in mains and NEET. Thank you very much.